this is nice. Okay, so, wow. Where do we begin? So it's definitely a unique color. You don't really see that color too often. On the back here, you pull this lever out, and if you wind this up, it actually charges. So it might take you a little bit of winding, but it can actually charge and power your device by winding. That's one option. Another option is there's a solar panel on the front, and that can also power the power bank inside here to charge your device here. You can also plug it in to a USB port right in here, and that's how you can charge it as well. So you plug this in and then plug this into any USB port. So let's say you have a much bigger power bank that's a bigger solar, like this one. What we could do is we could plug this into the USB port like this. This is setting in the sun. This is setting in the sun. And we can plug this in and charge that from this power bank with a bigger solar panel. There's so many options that you can do for charging. Okay, that's for charging. You can also then use the same cable, the USB, and plug it into a USB port that they provide you with, like this. And now you can go ahead and take your cell phone or device and charge it. So it's that simple. Now, to show you guys that it's charging, all you have to do is listen. My phone makes a sound when you plug in a device to charge. So that indicates that it's charging. So that port works as well. That is just starting the features. We can go over and we see we have a flashlight, extremely bright with multiple modes. So you got multiple modes. I mean, as you guys can see in the daytime, and look at that. Super, super bright. All right, guys, for SOS mode, once the light, let's see if you need the light on. I don't think we need the light on. You double tap SOS. So when you double tap it, it enters SOS mode. Let's see. We have other, I mean, there's so many things with this. It's crazy. There's an antenna that's at the bottom or the top, depending on how you look at it, and that can pull out to get better stations. For this, it's the volume control. That right up here is the volume control, but also it turns it on. So now you have mode. You can
cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Mild. Lows.
You have mode, so you have FM.
To the truth of God's infallible.
Can't play it for copyright reasons. You have AM, which you can actually set, or you can press and hold the arrow key and it will go. And you can actually set and save different stations. And then you have WB.
Innovation Park. Severe weather to bring you the
Overall, guys, it's very nice. Good for a bug out bag.
Information from the National Weather Service May